So we're going to talk about how to use a foam roller, what it's effective for, and what it's not effective for. Two things that you want to think about using a foam roller for. One is down regulation, which is relaxation of the nervous system. The other thing is going to be moving fluid from point A to point B. Our body's really good at moving fluid away from the heart, not so good at getting it back. So what we want to do is get a foam roller between the floor and the structure. So in this case, we'll do Chris's quads. And all we're going to do is we're going to start off by rolling furthest away, down by the knee, and we're going to roll back up towards the heart. So he's going to roll straight down towards his heart. Now, rolling back in the other direction is not going to cause much issue because we have valves to protect ourselves, but the time you want to spend, the effort that you want to be doing is when we're rolling towards the heart. That goes for any joint we're using. The idea is always pin the muscle or the structure you're trying to change between the foam roller and a bone. If you can't pin it down nicely, you're probably not going to be able to get any of the effect that you're desiring. So again, foam rollers are good for two things: relaxing the nervous system to increase momentary range of motion, and moving fluid around to reduce soreness.